Packing is one of the most time-consuming parts of moving, and if you're thinking about hiring a packing service, you might be wondering what it costs and what you're actually paying for. Let's break it down in a simple way. Packing services are usually priced based on how much you need packed and how long it will take. If you only want a few fragile items packed, that will cost less. If you want your entire home packed from top to bottom, that will cost more. On average, professional packers charge by the hour and by the number of packers needed. The size of your home plays a big role here. A small apartment may only need a couple of hours and a few boxes. A larger home with several rooms will naturally take longer. Another part of the cost comes from the supplies. Things like boxes, tape, paper, bubble wrap, and specialty cartons add to the total. If your movers provide these materials, they'll include them in the price. If you bring your own supplies, you may save a little. You can also choose how much help you want. Some people only hire packing services for delicate items like dishes, glassware, artwork, or electronics. Others prefer full-service packing, where the movers pack everything, label it, and get it ready to load. Even though packing services cost extra, they can save you a huge amount of time and stress, and they help reduce the risk of items breaking during the move since professionals know how to pack safely and efficiently. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and you can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.